Friends, already we have seen nouns, pronouns and adjectives. ಆ ಮೂರು ರೀತಿಯ ಶಬ್ದಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ ನಂತರ now let us know about another type of word. It is called adverb. Adverb. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಯಾ ವಿಶೇಷಣ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Don't get confused between adjective and adverb. Adjective is related to a noun or pronoun, but an adverb is related to a verb or action. ಇದು ನಾಮ ವಿಶೇಷಣ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ರಿಯಾ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸುವಂಥ ಶಬ್ದ ಇದು. See the definition in English. What is an adverb? Adverb is a word which describes a verb or an action. ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸುವಂಥ ಶಬ್ದ ಇದು. Adverb is also a qualifying word, but it qualifies an action. It qualifies a verb. ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಆ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಅದು. It describes an action. Describes a verb. I have given an example to show how an adverb works. See the example. He walks slowly. See the example. He walks slowly. When I ask, how does he walk? ಅವನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೀತಾನೆ? We say, he walks slowly. Here, the word slowly is an adverb. ಅವನು ಸಾವಕಾಶವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. The word slowly is not an adjective. It is not describing the person, but it describes the action. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಡೀತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಅದು. That's why we said adverb is a word which describes a verb or action. ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸುವಂಥ ಶಬ್ದ. Now the question comes, how does an adverb describe a verb or action? ಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸೋದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ? How does it describe a verb? To answer this question, we have three types of adverbs. We have three basic functions of an adverb. ಒಂದು adverb ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನು ಮೂರು ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ವರ್ಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. It describes an action in three aspects. ಯಾವುದು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅಂದಾಗ an adverb describes place of action, time of action and manner of action. If I discuss these examples, it becomes clear to you. Take the first example. She came late. Look at this sentence. She came late. What is the question to get this answer? When did she come? When did she come? Then we answer, she came late. Here in this sentence, the word late is an adverb. ಅಲ್ಲಿ late ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಶಬ್ದ adverb ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕೆ? What does it describe? It describes the action of coming. You can say, she came early. In that case, the word early becomes an adverb. You can say, she came yesterday. Yesterday ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ. This is one type of adverb. Now see the next example. He climbed up. Look at this sentence. The word up is an adverb because it shows the place of that action. Which action? Climbing. ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಏರಿದನು ಮೇಲೆ. You can say, where are you standing, sir? You will ask me, where are you standing, sir? Sir, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ. I say, I am standing here. The word here is an adverb because it shows place. This is called adverb of place. Now look at the third example. She cooks well. How do you ask the question to get this answer? How does she cook? How does she cook? She cooks well. So here in this sentence, the word well is an adverb. It is not describing the time or place. It is describing the manner in which she does that action of cooking. ಅವಳು ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯದ ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು, ವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು, ಶೈಲಿಯನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. She cooks well. I can say, she dances beautifully. She dances beautifully. In this sentence, the word beautifully is an adverb. It is not describing the person, but it is describing the action of dancing. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್. ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ನೇ ಬೇರೆ, ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್ನೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸೇ ಶೀ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್, ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಅದು ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಈಗೇನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು? ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಶಿ ಡಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲಿ. ಸೊ when I say beautifully, it is an adverb because it is not describing the person, but it is describing the action. See the difference between beautiful and beautifully. Sundara, sundaravagi. So we have these three basic types of adverbs, like adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of manner. Apart from these three basic functions, an adverb does two other functions also. You can see the first example here, she is very beautiful. In this sentence, the word very is an adverb. But the word very, what does it describe? It is not describing the person directly, but it is describing the adjective which is already there, beautiful. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ನಾಮ ವಿಶೇಷಣವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. Here from this example we come to know that an adverb describes an adjective. Now the last function of an adverb is that one adverb describes another adverb. I think we can explain that with the last example. He speaks too fast. Look at those two words. Fast is already an adverb in the sentence, and now we are getting another adverb called too, which is describing the adverb fast. So both are adverbs only. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕ್ರಿಯಾ ವಿಶೇಷಣಗಳು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. He speaks too fast. You can say he speaks very fast. Both are adverbs. Like this, an adverb describes another adverb. So these are the functions of an adverb, and we should be aware of these things. Adverb is a very significant word among the parts of speech. Thank you.